Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass. Today's lesson: travel vocabulary.
Last month, Mom and Dad programmed a fantastic travel to our family. We went to the beach. Everything started when Dad phoned to the travel agency and found a good promo to Caribbean. He had made the flight and hotel reservations immediately. It was my first time at the airport. We had arrived there by taxi. At the check-in, we delivered our baggage and showed our passports and air tickets. She gave us the baggage ticket. We could only travel with our carry-on bags. So, we went through the security check. While we were walking, we were watching signs, showing the ways to the departures and arrivals. Our flight would depart from Gate 1. We had a good flight. When we arrived, we passed through the customs, picked our baggage at the baggage claim, and went to the ground transportation to take a taxi to the hotel. The hotel was near a beautiful park. My little brother loved it. We did the check-in and waited at the lobby until our room was ready. At the hotel, we could choose between a suite and a double room, or a family room. Dad had chosen this one. Mom simply loved the hotel amenities. The room service was pretty good. We all loved the beach and everything in this travel. Hope we can come again soon. Did you like this video? So, what about subscribing the channel for more?